So let's concentrate on CSS file today. Okay. So open the style sheet because CSS is a new trend and we should know that. So I'll share this lecture with you. You have to open up this in Dreamweaver. Okay, how many students are going? So
Yes, sir.
how many students will be going?
Sir, about I think 15.
15 Dreamweaver. Must work in a browser in the most efficient method. All color codes hexadecimal. Make sure your style sheet contains no HTML. Okay. So we have to make a CSS file. Okay. That's the most important point. And it's 22 marks. So let's do this today. So we have to make a table. So you have to just remove this because you have to make a new. Whenever this question comes in, just remove the previous one and make a new one. CSS designer. Okay. Selector. Type over here table. Okay. So table. And then we have to define what? Step one by one. The border should be dark green. So size should be 650 pixels wide. First point. How do we do that? So over here, you'll define over here is, you will see, let me bring this up. So the layout, the width of this would be in pixels and would be in 650 pixels. So we'll just make it 650 pixels, right? Get the point? It was right
Yes,
over
sir.
there. And then we have border, dark green, solid 5 pixel thick. Okay, how do we do that? So over here, you will see is that we have the option down over here in the border. So it has to be in pixel, which is 5. It has to be over here, uh, dark green. So select from here is simply dark green. Okay. Uh, oh, so color should be, I mean, it could be any green. That's green. Make it like dark green. Enter. And then it should be what? Else solid. So dark green, solid, and 5 pixels thick. So last is solid. You will find solid over here. Style should be solid. Yes or no? Get the point? 5,
Yes, sir.
solid this. Next, internal grid lines. Okay, whenever you have to define internal grid lines, okay, you will define this way. So technical internal grid lines will be defined in your TD tag. Okay. So
Okay.
what we have to do is, obviously, you have to define over here is a TD tag. Okay. In fact, let me do it from here. CSS designer, selector. So remember, internal is TD. Always remember that. So internal would be dark green, solid 2, same. So it will be just 2 pixels, otherwise the same dimension, same things. So width and pixels, style, I'll change it. Solid, and has to be again dark green, enter, and it has to be just 2, right? Okay, done with this. Any problem? Right?
No, sir.
All internal and external borders collapsed. So you see over here is we have to do is internal external. So we have to do border collapse in table and TD. So you will see over here is we have border collapse. So we will say is collapse over here, and over here as well we will say collapse. So again, I repeat, TD means internal, table means external tag.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Cell padding, 6 pixels, top bottom, 4 each side. So 6 top bottom. So if you come here in the table tag, okay, right, we can define in the table tag is our cell padding. So you'll see over here is we'll have cell padding. So it was 6 top bottom. Six, 6, and 4 each side. 4 and 4. Right. Then, so we're done with this. This you have to do this slowly. H1. Now define over here is H1. So come here selector, type H1, right? H1 done. H1 should be color RGB, which means it will be red, green, blue. Red, green, blue, which is, so this would be red is 00, green is 50, and blue is 00, RGB. So it will be 00, 5000. Okay. So the color of this would be the text color. Text color of this would be 00, 5000. Right? Font would be this, Latino, but if not, Times New Roman, and if not, default serif font. So we'll come here and we'll see over here is font family. Do we have it? Sans serif. No, we don't have Palatino. We have to type it ourselves. I'm just trying to find out. No, no problem. So all we do is I'll just copy this. I can even type it in. Okay, fine. I'll type it in. So serif Times New Roman, and instead of this, just type is Palatine. Get the point? This, and this. You get my point? Read this again. Is this clear?
Okay, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Good. 36 should be the size of the font. So come here and use the font size point as 36. Okay. So
Yes.
we are done with this as well. H2. So over here, we'll define our H2. H2, 16 pixel high left line. So left aligned and 16 pixel. And then we have is our H3, 16 pixel high, alignment center. So H3, Control C, Control V. So H3, it will be 16 pixels high, same. Yeah, and alignment center. So text alignment, you can directly even change it from here as well. So you'll type over here is center, right? So done with these. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes.
Then we have list style. List is li. So over here we'll do is we'll say CSS designer and use li for list. Okay, li, or li should be what? 16 pixels. Okay, this must display as a bulleted list with square bullet points. Okay, so what we'll do over here is we can simply come here and you will find over here the option list. So wait, uh, where is it? Text, uh, list style, image none. So no, that's not it's type. Okay, this should be. Do we have square disk? If you don't have square, we'll type it in square. Get the point? List style type square. Did you see that? Right?
Yes.
So we'll do this list type square. Correct and complete. Done. Add your name, center number, candidate number as a comment. How? Okay, so let me first of all remove this. Okay. So what I'll do is I need to add my details. So you will use this as a comment, okay? And you can type your name, center number, and can date number, right? That's how you add a comment. Okay,
Okay,
understand?
sir.
Remember? Then save the style
Yes.
sheet and attach this web page. But obviously, you made the style sheet, so you have to actually do is you have to print the code. Okay, right? So major
Okay, sir.
marks uh, at many years are of creating the style sheet, which is pretty easy. Okay, so you
Okay.
do this again, and tomorrow what I'll do is I'll discuss is the HTML part with you, and we'll do a past paper in which we have more HTML because obviously uh, I do then you do. That's how the class goes. Okay, right, right. So
Yes.
tomorrow same time we meet, inshallah. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right, beta. Okay, I'll just share the video and the file. Okay, okay, beta. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Love.